here,
Okay.
one side there,
Yeah.
and here and there,
Right
of course,
into
and in this area for both
Yeah.
sides.
Alright.
That feels like the muscles is getting tight.
Let's check it. Lie on your front, please. Let's loosen it down.
Definitely muscle cramps kind of thing. That's when you do that, that's painful in the last 2 times, and
Relax for me. Let's get some movement. Nice and easy.
that's really
You
painful.
felt that, yeah?
Yeah, but it's very, very tender there. In the bones and in the muscles in the area there, it's horrible.
Nice and relaxed. Let's get some movement in the pelvis. Turn to your side, please, facing the door. That's it. Lie on your back. Give yourself a hug.
Yeah, that's the one when you do that here. That's
feel
what's
that,
painful
yes,
every
yes.
time.
Let's get good movement. Right then. Relax for me. Nice and easy. Good. Nice and relaxed for me. Nice and easy. Oh, God. That's the one. Big squeeze. Relax your arms.
That's where I'm suffering.
Arms rest. Beautiful. That's the one. Let's have you come on up for me. Good.